Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening sticky notes and signing in so sync is enabled. Once done, create or select the note you want to save and check its sync indicator. Make sure you have a consistent naming convention and an export folder ready. This saves time later. You're preparing both the content and the destination. This initial organization prevents lost notes and makes bulk saves predictable. So go ahead and set those basics before proceeding to export or backup steps. You now export each note. Use the app's export feature if available, or copy and paste text into a new TXT or RTF file. Once done, consider exporting with timestamps in the file name so you can trace versions. For richly formatted notes, take a screenshot or save as PDF. Make sure to place copies both locally and in a cloud folder to avoid single-point failures. This redundancy ensures you can restore content quickly if the app data becomes corrupted. You finish by verifying each saved file opens and matches the original note. Don't assume success. Once done, enable automatic backups or set a regular export schedule so you don't repeat manual work. If notes won't sync, sign out and sign back in, or copy the local sticky notes database file as an emergency backup. Make sure to test restoration on another device. This final check and the troubleshooting step protect you from accidental data loss and make recovery straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.